Thank you for silencing your phone when it rang, ma'am. No, you did good. It rang and you silenced it right away. It took you about 4 seconds, 5 seconds.
I had it on silent.
You did good. It takes about 1 second per decade. However old somebody is. Have you ever seen like an 80-year-old when their phone rings? And they won't silence it. They'll just look at the screen. You ever watch an old person when their phone rings in a crowded theater? Everybody around them is like, press anything, literally anything. Touch the screen, touch the side button, touch those buttons on the, literally anything. And however many seconds that lasts, that's how many decades old they are. You know? 20-year-olds got it in 2 seconds or less. 70-year-old, hello? No, I'm just at the comedy show. I can talk.